Hi, my name is Leanna Farmer, and this is my presentation on environmental fact sheet on lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is an organic compound with the chemical formula PbNO32. It commonly occurs as a colorless crystal or a white powder, and unlike most other lead salts insoluble in water, it is non-combustible. But it will accelerate the burning of combustion materials if there is large quantities of materials are involved in the fire, and it may cause an explosion. What are the fundamental properties of lead nitrate and the atomic structure? The fundamental properties, the laws of nature go hand in hand: mass and gravity, charges, and electromagnetism, spin, and quantum mechanics. So it is unsurprising that one's account of fundamental properties affects one's view of law and nature, and vice versa. The atomic structure is PbNO32. The Lewis structure is ONOO equaling 24 electrons. What are the chemical and physical properties of lead nitrate? The chemical properties of lead nitrate is an oxidized agent which is highly toxic and categorized as a probable carcinotic to humans. The physical property of lead nitrate is colorless crystal or white powder. What are the main chemical reactions that lead nitrate undergoes? Lead nitrate on heating undergo thermal decomposition, reacting to form a yellow residue of lead oxide, brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. The reaction occurs as follows: 2P NO32S lead nitrate heat, 2PbOS lead oxide plus 4NO2G nitrogen dioxide plus O2G. The balance equation is 2PbNO3 2AQ 2PbOS plus 4NO2G plus O2G. What is lead nitrate used for? The main use of lead nitrate was raw material in production of pigments for lead paint, used as industrial heat subsidized in nylon and polyester. Coating of photothermographic paper. Since around 2000, lead nitrate has been used in gold solenoids. Lead nitrate was first identified in 1597 by an alchemist, Andrews Livius, who called the substance sweet lead because of its taste. It is produced commercially by reacting of metallic lead with a concentrated nitric acid in which it was springly soluble. How was lead nitrate transported in the environment? It was transported by contaminated soil and water and in lead-based paint. How might exposure of lead nitrate affect human health? If you are exposed to lead nitrate, it can cause eye irritation, skin irritation, acute effects, headaches, irritable, upset stomach, weakness. Chronic inorganic lead affects lung, stomach, and kidney cancer in humans. Maybe a trion in trirattogon in humans. Metallic taste, colic, muscle cramps, and damage to the nerve system. How might lead nitrate affect the environment and chemical reactions? The substance is toxic to the aquatic organism, the substance may cause long-term effects in the aquatic environment. Bioaccumulation of this chemical may occur in marine organisms, and organisms it is strongly advised not to let the chemical enter the environment because it can be persistent. Lead nitrate reacts with hydrogen peroxide reducing agents, powdered carbon, lead, ammonia trinitrate, potassium, powdered metals. What steps are being taken to limit the potential of lead nitrate? They are removing lead paint from low-income housing that was built before 1960, reducing the lead in drinking water in the house that was built in 1986, reducing lead in food and consumer products, reducing air lead emissions, cleaning up contaminated soil.